Today we are doing an awareness program about the alarming trends of obesity, which is increasing like anything in India as well as Asian countries. We need to know that almost 16 to 17% of Hyderabadis have become obese with a BMI more than 30. We need to educate people that obesity is a disease. It is in fact a cluster of lot of diseases. These people are prone for type 2 diabetes, hypertension, infertility in girls, and knee joint and hip joint pains, unable to sleep, what we call it as a sleep apnea, and difference in the blood chemistry where the cholesterol and lipids they increase. So obesity as a whole, it is just invading our country and coming like an epidemic actually. So we need to bring lot of awareness, especially the parents of children, where they are having nowadays a single child is so common that we need to tell how to take care of their child as well as adults who already have become obese. So that is the awareness program which is going on today. We are giving lectures and what is the way of weight loss to the people, and almost like more than 150 nutritionists and dietitians of city are there available today, which we are making an interstate symposium from Nova hospitals. Percentage of people who are suffering in Hyderabad is 1 in 6. It is around 16 to 17% obesity incidence is there, as well as diabetes is also. Now Hyderabad is called as the diabetic capital of the world, which we don't need to be proud of actually. We need to be ashamed of that. We need to have healthy habits, and what is right to eat we need to know, not to put a lot of calories into the body, not to increase in weight, and to do a regular exercise and keep yourself fit and slim. How to control weight in the sense to eat right kind of food, not to indulge in very high calorie food like sweets and like fried foods, too much of non-vegetarian kind of food. So we need to know, see, lot of calories are being consumed, which are more than needed because of the sedentary lifestyle what we lead in the urban population. So what we need is like 1400 calories only per day, which can be met only with a lot of vegetables in the diet, fruits in the diet, and plenty of water, and not to go for too sweetish kind of diet, and to restrain from alcohol and high calorie liquid diet.